provide educational materials to less privileged and not necessarily less privileged too in certain circumstances. To provide scholarship opportunities for students at different levels, primary, secondary, and the tertiary institutions. These are some of the things we hope to do. We're just a very young organization, only about 2.5 months or thereabouts. So in time to come, next year, we're going to be rolling out our program and our schedule of activities. People are going to be seeing a lot of what we are going to be, what we are going to be doing in the healthcare sector, in the health sector, in education and talent development, where we try to encourage the youth, especially those in schools or who should be at the school level, where they can create or innovate something. We support them. We try to be a link and an intermediary between them and those who can even take them to greater heights. These are the 3 things we stand for: healthcare, promotion of education, and talent development, basically.
Is it all about that?
Yes, we want to reach out to people. 70% or even more of the people we intend to reach out to are those who are not as privileged as many are. It's not a big phenomenon in Nigeria, or will I say, particularly in Bayelsa, which is our base, or where we are starting from. It's not a big phenomenon. Many people do not think of people elsewhere, especially in an organized setting. We want to have an organized setting where we are more like the intercessors, the link between the haves and the have-nots.
The intermediary.
Yes, an intermediary. And not a mediator, but intercessors. We are just the link. You know, we channel resources, we pool funds and resources from well-meaning individuals in societies in an organized way and channel it to those who do not have. You know, a lot of people actually do not have, but there are some. Our target persons or people are the poorest of the poor. Those you know who have almost absolutely no source of livelihood, or they eat from mouth to hand. You know, these are the kind of people we want to touch.
Sure.